This is what me have to say real quick before me come down. Me don't understand. Me, so me I watch this with you from day one. I mean know everything that had happened. Me know word for word. What me can't understand is this: why is it okay for Spice to class everybody, put down everybody, build song against everybody? So why is it okay for her to say everything what she want to say about people and do what she want to do? And when people retaliate against her and say what them have to say, it's a problem. Somebody please answer me that.
But the people them over
Why is
here
it
don't
okay
know
for
that.
she?
The people them over
Why is
here
it
don't
okay
know
for
that.
she to
The
come
people them
out
don't
and do
know
what
her.
she want to say and class everybody make song
That's
because as
because the
she
people
created
them
all of
don't
this
know
mess
her.
right now,
The people
right?
them don't know her. The only reason why me answer that woman here, I for sure I say she and a bumbo clock bull against me. And I that me say.
Exactly. But
So
what,
she
not
can
only
well,
that
create
no,
too.
anybody she want
listen.
here to class me.
I don't know what people fail to realize is this: if somebody come off of me, I gotta defend myself. If somebody
That is
talk about
true.
me, I
Which
gotta
is
defend
true.
myself. Listen, if I have a friend, I gotta stand with my friend, rather my friend right or wrong, because at the end of the day, I'm a friend. And first of all, you just a crucify the man, you not crucify the man. You don't even know if the man even
With
do
no
what the man
facts.
try
With
to say.
no
You don't
With
even
no
facts.
go
fact.
court. Well,
With
I don't know.
no
You
facts.
are
Accusation.
innocent. You are friggin'
Uno
innocent
that like
until
it for the
somebody can
uno
prove
with
you
no
guilty.
facts.
That is true.
Make
That
them
Eh?
is
prove the
true.
man guilty, then
This
we
That
don't
talk
make
is
no
true.
different.
That is
sense.
so true.
Make them prove the
Eh?
man guilty, then we talk different. Uno do this with
I
no
just want to say
fucking
Exactly.
something.
facts.
This is good night,
So wait.
everyone.
No
Miss
So at
I
the
Blinger.
want
end
to
of the
lie
day,
too.
Not only that, you
at
see
the
Miss
end of the day, if
Blinger.
I'm a true friend, I'm going to stick beside my friend through thick and thin because there's no proof that my friend do something. So just because
I
people come
like
out
Miss
and say,
Blinga.
"Oh,
She
your
did a
friend
good
this,"
job.
that don't mean
You
to
know.
give no reason for me to
no
turn my back
facts.
on my
That
friend.
is
You think
that
it's
is true.
easy
That
for
is
somebody
true.
to put something by your name
What's wrong with
That
people?
is
when
true.
not truth?
It feels so sad to
Fabrication.
know everybody
Look,
Fabrication.
all
Yeah,
lost
right,
somebody.
fabricated.
Judith. Look what them say about me and my, look what Amari come out come say about me and my family. You know, remember what Amari did come say?
Oh my
Anybody remember
God.
what Amari did come say about me and my family? And I eat them have a run with. Like, make it make sense.
You're gonna be all right, honey. Just take it easy. And
Blinger, just take it
I know
easy,
you
Blinger.
don't.
Take it
I know you
easy.
love everybody. I mean,
No,
Me
because
Archie
no
you're
want
here,
Boss
them
you're
gonna
love me
be
no
here,
more,
here,
okay.
man. Me
Just
no
here
take
as
it
want them
queen,
love
easy.
me no
queen of
more.
TikTok
Me no
and
want
queen
no
of
love from
media.
them no more. Me want everybody who's
Listen.
against me to just fuck off with me,
You're
brother.
a good
Because
person.
No,
me
I know
can't
you're
Blinger,
have
a
you
the
good
cannot say
energy
person.
that,
to
but
do nothing
Blinger,
with
I know
because the
nobody.
good
world
people.
may be
Trust
eyeing
me.
you. No,
I
Everybody
know
listen,
need
good
to just
Blinger.
people.
fuck off.
The world they be eyeing
God
you.
bless you, honey.
The world down there behind me. Mama tell
No,
you
man,
this.
Blinger, no, not because a few people them where things are not
Then the
used, you
people they are
understand
put
me?
soul, them not no sense. Them get pay and them the money they soon
No, Blinger,
go.
a long time I watch out the courthouse, and you always
Yes,
deal with the things
ma'am.
them and fine. This little
Yeah.
situation if I get out of hand,
No,
what
but
them
I
need to
shouldn't do the
allow
lady
them to
like
do
that.
is to take over the court case properly and just deal with it.
We are gonna have a court case on it and then we drop
You
it and
have
move
to do
on
it and
to
then
it.
drop it,
Mm-hmm.
Blinger.
We are
Drop
gonna
it after
have a
this.
court case on it and then move on. Me look a liar for the little boy. If him want come, if him want to come up in the box, him
Makes
can
sense.
come and represent himself. Because
Makes
remember, you
sense.
know, him did go for she. You know, you
Right.
me ask the little boy for no interview coming on. Nobody say me enough. So me ask keep
No, yes,
court
not. That is
case.
not enough. That is not nothing come to the
No, but they
media.
must have enough like
God, I
I
gotta
know
take
me
care of
for
No,
one
everything.
no,
That's
no,
all I
interview.
because you
know.
still a stay in a your era, and your era is you are doing court cases. So if you had the court case, so you invite him over or him heard your live
Oh
and
my
come over,
God.
He
then
must
just
to
deal with
come
it that
defend
way.
Too
himself,
much,
and if he
man.
not
You're
come,
going too
he
far,
need to
you
have
know?
somebody to defend him. That's it. Me I gonna do a court case for it
Simple.
tomorrow,
Because this
about
allegation I get out
10
of
o'clock.
hand.
About 10
Thank you,
o'clock
sisters,
tomorrow,
for
me
the
I do a court
roles.
You
case.
see, just
RT
one
need
look
to
of
get
something
a
can
lawyer,
fix something.
somebody to represent him. And the little
True.
boy needs somebody to represent him. And that's how we are got that case here might be drawn out for the rest of the week. And after this, we're just done.
Done with it. That's
We're
true.
just done.
That's true.
And
And
then
nobody
everybody
make
just
you
go to
push
them
push
life.
on the app
Everybody
because
just
I
go to
know
them
you as
life
this
for
type
them
of
used to
person.
live. And that's it. And me just continue to do what me I do.
That is
That's it.
true. Bling and I make nobody stress you out.
And that's just me now. It's just hard for no say you did it for people. And some people is like, I really can't fucking understand. So me can't get my point across. So when me can't get my point across, me just can't bother. Me just leave things.
I understand. But I hope RT alright until everything proven or if it prove for now.
Tomorrow we have a court case. Me don't know who I go represent who. Him RT need a lawyer and the little boy need a lawyer. If the little boy want come and I want tell him, then I can tell him.
Good night, Miss Bling.
Fuck him, say
What's
my
up?
friend.
What I want to ask you, right? Is RT okay? Is he still in lockup or anything like that?
You ever need to know?
I haven't spoken to RT.
Okay, so there was a little rumors was going on, say he grape. I'm not sure if that allegation was correct either.
So what are you asking me?
There was something was posted on Instagram early
So,
on.
oh, me fi know if in grape. Me look, me did there. Me did at the bed.
So
Oh,
why are
me
you
must
getting
know
so
if in grape.
aggressive? Why are you getting so aggressive? I just asked you a
Because when the
question.
bumper blood clot, you come up here, so come fuck around me spirit in the night, you for bitch. What the fuck you not see it brawling out on the media? Don't fuck yourself. Come talk to me if you talk to me and don't come ask me no unnecessary blood clot question.
Guys,
Start
just stop
brawling big
upset Miss
out there.
Blinga.
The allegations them against him is brawling out there. What the fuck you trying to do?
That's true.
And why you record me? What Messi, whatever the fuck your name is, why you recording me? Stay in the fucking comments and record, yo.
So Blinga, what time tomorrow?
I'm sorry. 10 o'clock.
Please,
Hmm?
take your time. Don't run up your, no stress yourself. Take your time. You don't have to answer nothing when you want to answer to. At the end of the day, he's a friend, and you gotta stick with him like chuck it till the end until otherwise. Take your
Until
time and calm
otherwise.
down.
Exactly. Lady
Take
Ann,
your
what I
time
say
and
about,
calm
you
down.
know? Lady Ann, you know,
Hmm?
so me come out here like a star, you know, Lady Ann. I'm gonna put out my statement like a star, you know, and
Yeah.
say the reason, me give them the reason why I stand with the man, you know.
But you're not forgetting about no reason. You don't want about an explanation for telling why you stand with him. He's a friend. I'm quite sure if the shoes are on the other foot, he'll stick it out with you too. So, me not see why all of this. Stop eating up yourself. You're going to get yourself sick because you make them a stress you.
Them
Just,
can't stress me that them want.
okay, well, if you answer to any question, answer. If not, just leave it
Yeah, but
alone
them
because
have to
you're
just come up here
friends.
for ask me decent question. But I argue. Me stop cussing people now. Me I
Yes,
leave
you,
them
and that's
alone.
what me I try to tell you. Stop all for cussing. Cause just 90, you know, all this too shall pass. You know, you make them a get to you and you get
Miss
eat.
Bling,
You know, you do that, man. Take your time, man, and just deal with the thing, man. You don't have to answer nothing you know answer to. You don't want nobody no explanation at the end of the day. Anything them want, it's all over social media already. Until
Thank you.
otherwise. You know, not pay them the mind of your friend. Hold on by your friend till the end. Me hold on pan Charmaine to the end. Cause she was my friend. You
I mean,
understand?
I'm a friend too.
Yeah, she was my friend, and the whole world knows she was my friend. And let me tell you this, me have her back. The girl couldn't diss her in my present. I mean, me liberty them up here. And she passed and gone, and when she passed and gone, me, nobody can tap me, I go liberty them up. So just, you know, understand
all
the
right,
music.
lady Ann.
Yeah.
Okay, real girl, take the floor of yours.
Thank
Not
you.
my floor,
Yeah, and
Blinga
thank you for
floor.
that. What you say,
Now, let me
real?
ask you, Blinga. Why when RT did that beside you what day, right? And him a spread rumor upon cheese, said she's grape girl, him and him baby father. You never tell him so that's not right.
Next patient.
Tell them to pay them. Yeah, that's exactly what you do. Dial tone them.
Patient. God, this is not about that rat. Fuck off and come from over here so with that name there.
But you know what? You have to expect this once you have the floor, what Miss
That's
Blinga. You're going
fine.
to get
That's
this.
fine. That's somebody deal with
You're
them
going to
now.
get it. So just deal with
Them
it.
go on over there with that.
Ah, boy, I don't know why we Jamaican are like this. Why we can't just live good. Why we can't just show love. Why we be like this, too? You
Lady,
know,
and I just bad
understand?
mind. I just bad mind. Them I try dethrone me and it I go take a miracle for do that.
Well, you have to just stand your ground and hold the fort then.
All it
You
and
know
stand it
that.
and them can't take it from me and I just that are the truth. Anyway, where
Well,
you say black?
You're too licky. And that I
Suck your mother.
it's simple. That's all you do. And you know them all do that, right?
Not for them business. That not nothing to do with me. They're a fan. They pay their own phone bill and I meet up on them screen.
Exactly.
Good night, Blinga. You see, sometimes we as friends, we pay some price, we want to expect for pay. When you're a real friend, you pay a price for your friend when you expect for pay. this was something huge where you stand up beside him with. I don't think he might ever forget. Like, cause RT, him will do him like a dissing when him ready. But he never ever forget how you stand up with him as a real friend. That's just how me see it, because I just saw me deal with my friend them too. Me go stand up with you until it drop. So just do what you have to do. You still have your platform, you do what you need to do on your platform,
Them
and you
can't take it
forget
from
it.
me. I let them a try and them can't take it
Yeah.
from me.
So you know.
Listen, goody. Me done name Miss Blinga already. Them can't bumbo clot take that. And
So you
that's
just
the
do what
problem.
you
Them
have to
can't
do.
take it.
As well, yeah, say you just have to do the court case, forget about it and move on like it never exists. It's just that him can't say you never stand up with him. Because you stand up with him and basically I start fight a war away and not even necessarily your war. I just show your
Not
friend.
even my war, but true them a crucify me because true me say, cause that's why Goody Bex, Goody upset because true everybody gone on Goody side and the person who she really want on our blood clot side now go. That is the problem. Bitch, me don't see
Exactly.
your song already. One more your blood clot wants.
Yeah, man. So we realize that, but I just saw it go. I when you stand up like a real G card. Enough people with a coward down. Enough people who want to stand up to her being that say basically she's a giant regardless of way. We might have one thing. Enough people who want to stand up to her. I love how you stand up to her and make sure
I mean,
say
I know
it.
who she a giant for my love, but me know say no me my love. So I just the truth. Anything them want do my love, anything them want do to me, them can do it. But like me say, me now go down without a fight. No time, no day, none at all. Them are not God.
Yeah,
I
man.
know
So
say
that's
go
all
back
me do
to the
want.
when someone that talks a lot you run down left him and him need are the most. People need people in the no man and island, no man stand alone. So just stop make them get no make them get to you like that man. Just answer where you are, answer
Lady
where you
Annie
not
know
feel
say
like
them
answer
not get
just
to
answer.
me. Lady Annie them not get to me now. You see the gentleman where you see up on the platform for me so. I just something when him do hurt me. And I just talk about it. I don't even argue. I just talk about it. Him say me not understand him point and me say him not understand my point. So the two of we agree to disagree. So we just split. That's it. So it don't
Yeah.
make sense. Me and him go back and forth to argue about something. It don't make sense.
That make no sense. No, no. A good and bad in everyone in another cycle.
Miss Blinga.
Oh, sorry. Come back, girl. To me in that area, girl. Come back. Come back. You got the request, Goody.
Play Wagwan.
Your ear one, what?
Me
And
ask
they are the link up because me want to go and boss the squad with the fit and do the right thing, man. You see it?
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, you name Mr. Bling,
No other. No matter
You
what them a
see?
deal or try.
You name
Crazy.
TikTok, me. You name, you're the queen of TikTok, you know,
One
Bling.
and only. No more.
Just go on. Just go on do the right thing, man. You see the one left there, gentleman, they are going to give her links. You see it?
Big up yourself.
Now, probably if you give an interview for a Wednesday about me, check in that car. You see it?
All right. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, that is it, man, brother.
Where you Seren?
remember a song we say I'll be on your side forever and ever. That's what friends are for.
Mm-hmm.
Make them come suck out your battle. Them a come go and like say spice she can't make. What happened to them?
They know that them I do. And the little bit of money when she pay them, it's soon done. She used
Just
nothing
look
sister
out.
for Ragashan to
And
show and
one
drop her
line of
like a bad
frighten
habit.
them.
But them don't know her history. Them don't know this lady history. None of them.
I don't know who is spice where the whole of them afraid and run up in her.
Miss Bling, I get you.
All of a sudden she over here like she feel like she can't take over TikTok. Are the lion frighten them?
Good night, Miss Bling. You're lying. But they pay us since last year. I'm going to see you stand up for it. On the RTL when you stand up for you, stand up for other people. You understand? And you are a real
Miss
friend.
Blinga.
You're real. You're one like in a hundred, you can find people like you, one out of the 100. And just no make nobody feel like them can break you down. One Blinger could do two. That may I tell you.
Any other bling a sin.
Yeah, take me down there.
Pick up yourself.
Hey, Miss Blinga.
How it go?
But now like still, hey, you look good still, you know. But now like Miss Blinga, you know, so every time
Where you take him from? I just don't tell him to go suck out Spice Batty. Yes. Hey, the Marie crashes, you know?
Let's drink some wine, Miss
Good
Bling.
night,
Drink a
Miss
glass of
Blinga.
wine.
What's up? I just want to say that you know, I really love that you're standing by his side. That's what real friends are for. But RT has always stood by your side. But I want to know why is you ran out for police the other day when they tried to put Batiman on his name, right?
Seem they ask him, and that's what I'm
Right?
talking about. Ask him. I mean the right
But
on the platform.
and
Ask
it
him.
wasn't your war. It wasn't your place to go there.
Thank you. Ask him. Him there on the stage.
Police, I just
Hello?
want to understand because that wasn't Blinga's war either. And anytime someone put anything on Blinga's name,
Tasha.
RT, even if it's not his war, he's standing up for her. I'm trying to understand this.
Tasha,
Yes?
I'm a woman where me and her, I'm a woman. So if nobody not there on my side, you know the allegation thing there, I'm a woman for the on my side.
And like you're supposed to be on
Nobody
hers.
listen. Nobody now understand. Me never know say Blinga in a war. Me see Spice attack RT. Me never know say she in a war, brother.
I told you on the fucking live. I said it to you.
When was
Everybody
that?
knows that
When
she
was that
war.
live? When was that live? Tamika, when was
I told
that
you on the
live?
live. You didn't want to hear. I
When was that
told
live?
you.
When was that
Your
live?
next, you was the same night.
Yeah,
Your next
you
question
show
should
me a
be to
video.
me,
You show me a
what
video.
happened?
I
You
saw
don't
a
need to
video.
show you no video if me come tell us me you ready to
No,
believe me.
listen. I saw a video of Spice calling you names. That's how
That
we
was
cause the
that.
war.
Listen. You know, get it, brother. We
No.
are one team, one government, brother. When it come on to me, when you in the camp, me say if anybody say anything about you and it no rest well with me,
Right.
and
One
you wrong
Blinga,
to
one
blood clot.
police. We hear her. She said it. She keeps saying
Me
it.
keep on saying it to you, and you ignore the fucking shit I come talk about. Who want some fuck? Me look like a somebody shot of fuck, yo. Me give you ample chance to clean
She
this
say it
up.
like a
Me
prayer.
give you
One
ample
Blinga, one
chance.
police.
Me give you chance to clean this up on the live. Me say, listen, I know your sarcasm. Are you serious right now? Me give you chances, pantapa chances for clean it up.
She run
And
out
you
for
never clean
you
it up.
and she run out for RT. And
You
she's gonna
never
stand
clean
by
it up.
RT and your
Well,
side
Anna.
until otherwise.
Alright. Walana, Tash. Me, God say I know. Me know out of me know. Say me and Bling enough people not like that. So I'm not gonna side with people I know not like that. If she I bring the person, that's fine. Me not bring them.
But
You say if you left RT out of this, me no care where your RT want have. Me, I tell you say RT not involved in this. Why you can't understand what me I say? Believe what me I say to you
How
now?
you reach,
The man that involved
you
in
and
it.
Spice reach in an argument then.
Because as she started, as she's called me name, that's what me been a try fucking tell you, you know, listen. Come ahead, hurt me.
all right, Miss Blinga, I'm here. Take me down, please.
What's up?
Good night, mama. Me say right. Me feel like say if it doesn't hold it, you know, me make nothing
Yeah,
special.
girl, me a hold it. Listen, me a hold it. But them send me a video since night, right? Let me see. You see me have a chat group with a different number, a WhatsApp. In there, people send me things. Some me look on, some me not look on. Me I watch a little clip of a video since night. And I say, Jaja, Selassie, I never ever come live. So the people them are wait for me to come live. So I say, alright, me go just come live. Because God know me tired. 2 variations till the drive go Brooklyn and come back. Me tired. So I say, me I'll just go on my bed and keep court case tomorrow.
But me just come out and me tell the people them say, listen, I'm at war, guys. The whole fucking TikTok is on me. Or not the whole fucking TikTok, cause them a baby. Everybody who depend me a baby them. Baby strength them have. So me just want to tell the people them say me still there. Me not hide, me not gone nowhere. Me is a mother. I'm being a mother. I'm going to tell this to TikTok and Instagram. I'm being a mother. Me not muggle, me not party, me not have fun. I'm being a mother.
As you should, right?
You understand? So, because I'm being a mother, when I'm going to see me, I fix up myself and I look good up and I go on with myself. I've never dressed up from I've been on TikTok. I never go to it and get a good proper makeup done. You guys have never seen me in a lace front or anything or nothing because I'm just a simple person. I mean, and I know some can't. Me just not fussy, and if me do fussy, I will get it done. It's just that when you see when you're used to something,
right?
You know, I feel. Me no know.
Yourself. You're not picking up yourself.
Me no. I've been there, done that, and all these things. Me no have to. Guys, me a 40 fucking 2-year-old. Tell me what me the blood clot me no do. I must see some me no do yet. Or fuck 2 man one time or blood clot suck pussy and them. So them there things of me never done. You get me? I say so. I'm fine.
But what I don't understand is everybody see when Spice call out Blinga, so why TikTok police can't see and hear that?
Because
which TikTok will depend that's in the ear when Spice call you out?
One of the best is them over him live right now. I tell him say, the best is them over there. Tell him the things them know.
So why you being
disrespectful? That's a getting cocky hard.
Well, first of all, I must say, Miss. Yeah.
Hi, Blinga, good night. First of all, let me respectfully say to police, even if Blinga was the first one that attacked Spice, if you say to her behind the scenes, babes, you're wrong. But you don't go on a public platform and big up someone who disrespected your woman. The most that you should be doing is keeping quiet. It don't look good. Blinga, I typed already and I'm going to tell you again. You're too loyal and it keeps putting you in problems. When police was in problems, you never asked any questions. How do you feel knowing that somebody came out and body shamed your female and then you're on a live telling them that, oh, she look good and blah, blah, blah. That is absolute foolishness. And also, let me say to the persons that are in the comments, we don't know what happened. The saying that we are innocent until proven guilty, it's not just a saying, it's the truth. But a conversation that a lot of us are not with.
Important question, Ms. Blinga, please, sorry to cut her off.
Cynthia, could you allow me to finish, please?
I know, but it's very important and it's hurting me right now. I need to know if Mr. RT boss is dead or alive because it's going around on the internet saying he is dead and me and my children over here is trying to have funds pick up for the body if it's dead. We don't know what's going on. You don't have no nothing. Everyone's saying dead, live, dead, live. Please clarify. If the man is dead, billionaires get up on no money and ship it on it up. Please, what the man is? He dead or am alive? What you want to say? Miss Blinga, Miss Queen of the blood clot Blinga. What you want to say? The man dead or the man blood clot alive? Because me over here trying to scramble me money. I don't want no food. I don't want nothing. I tried. I want to know, Miss Blinga, what the bomber ass are going. What you want me to do? I'm packing clothes for burial or packing clothes for court. I don't know. Court, burial. Miss Blinga.
Let me say, I'm going to tell you something. I have not heard from RT Boss.
You don't know if him dead?
Me hear
You're him friend. I will cut down every blood clot line to find out.
Miss, today, me did that off the radar. I have not heard from RT Boss. Nobody not call me. Only people are texting me and say, RT dead, RT
See that me never.
Billionaire, born clad here is
Blinga,
waiting.
can I have an opportunity to
Is
finish
him
saying what
dead
I'm
or is
saying?
him
Can you
Alright.
alive?
please?
So
Miss
what answer?
Blinga, can
Me
you drop
want
me,
know, me
please?
want know,
Huh?
me
Can
want
you drop me?
know,
Okay.
me
Thank
want
you. Good
know.
night.
What I would like to say regarding the allegations against RT, people
Him
are
dead
innocent
or is
until
him
proven
alive?
guilty.
Die what we want
And there
know.
are a lot of people that are jumping on this allegation not because they have a genuine concern for the victim. Just because they do not like RT, they're quick to say that yes, he did it. But a conversation that a lot of us are not ready for is the fact that a lot of you and us have abusers in our homes, and we know that they are abusing children, and we stand by idly, but we are here supporting an allegation that we have no claims about. Art, Blinga, I just want to say to you, respectfully, police, I don't think you deserve Blinga, and I hope she leaves you, honestly, because you're a disgrace.
Bad girl need the rest of the pan eat a matter big stinking pussy. Yeah, that's some style. Big stinking girl. Go suck your mother. Brawling. Lady, and where you are saying now?
About what?
Oh, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. I will fair money on the fire.
Superman, my man?
No, not you, not you. The one that just look at
Oh,
say, oh, I got chat.
oh boy, it's sad.
Hey, Blingo, who was that screaming down the place?
Miss Blinga, good night. Let me tell you something. Police I can't kick me after you don't read to Miss Blinga. You're a big bumper wall. Go suck your mother.
Oh, dog.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Don't ever come up here and start disrespect.
Oh,
You guys are going to come and guys, listen.
You guys are going to come
We're
and
just gonna be
guys,
civilized.
listen. Miss Bling, I want back the lady with the ask about RT whereabouts. Put her back on, please, so that she have a
where's
genuine
Cynthia?
concern.
Where's Cynthia? Where's Cynthia? Get back Cynthia in there now. Get Cynthia in there now. Where's Cynthia? Get her back.
It look like she have a flash.
So guys, tomorrow I'm going to have a court case on the case.
We want Cynthia. I Cynthia lady name. We want Cynthia.
Listen, I want to tell you guys tomorrow, right? What's the name of the little boy? If see if he's interested to come represent himself. If he's not interested, that's fine. We're gonna have a case. Who's that? Guys, please to just come up here and let's be civilized. Let's be civilized. Some people are Christians. Some people just want to watch something until they fall asleep. No.
Miss Bling, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Why would she do the song now? She say RT want international people for notice him. So why she not literally call him name now, but why she sing that song? Why she
Because
just
she
blurt
want the
out
song
some
to sell.
something?
She want the song to sell, and it did. It did. So
Oh, so she
that's
used
it.
that. Oh, so whosoever she called, she not literally call him name, but whosoever she had show what pan would have come now and talk, so she would have get the song would have get views and stuff.
Yeah, I already pushed it at #1 on iTunes.
Catch up the line.
A lot of people I want Cynthia good night.
How are you, Patrol?
My good, my mother. Cynthia have a buzz. Put back Cynthia, mommy.
Pink Nation, what are you saying?
We want Cynthia. We want Cynthia.
We want Cynthia.
J.A. Mexi, what are you saying? Okay, guys.
One side jump on the next side, then confusing.
Me know. Me know you don't have to tell me.
Cynthia back.
Cynthia.
Yes, good night. Abundance, gratitude. How y'all feeling? Prosperity, good health, good wealth to everyone. Whatever you manifest for here today and tomorrow, sure.
Then quarter.
What kind of money you have over there, Cynthia, for donate? What kind of money you talk about?
I want to know if him dead or alive first. My money don't go to what kind?
You related to him, Cynthia?
My money don't go to relation. My money go to truth. My money go to if him dead something. What I'm doing.
Let me ask somebody. I'm gonna make a call.
Cynthia, you not take your medication since night?
Don't ask me that. I'm missing a dose, please.
You need a medication. I upon drug. Upon the white lady.
I'm high off of this sun been beating me all day, so don't mind me. Don't mind me. I want to know if I'm dead or if I'm alive.
I'm gonna tell you now.
Yes, please. Number 1 billionaire, come forward. You're being asked to show and tell.
I want to get what? Cynthia, I want to get injection.
One big injection.
Right in your neck.
So I'm gonna have the court case. I'm gonna have the court case 10:30 in the morning.
I will be there sharp, Nora.
But we need somebody to represent RT Boss and somebody to represent the little boy. Guys, listen, please support the live goal. I didn't even realize that I'm not begging. You guys know I'm a number 1 beggar here. I need to buy milk for my
Someone already representing the liquor boy.
Who?
You wait. On tomorrow court case, you said 10:30, 10 o'clock.
10:30, yes, but I need to know the lawyer's name because I need to put it out.
Lara will contact you. That's a fact.
Okay, guys, please to support the live goal. Thank you. The live goal is donuts.
Support RT.
So please,
we don't know if I'm dead
donuts. Thanks.
or alive. But
Miss Blinga.
What's up?
Oh my gosh, this is my first time ever come alive in my lifetime. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy to meet you. Okay, good night. Bye.
Gosh, we'll find out tomorrow. Ghost or no ghost.
Guys, we need 3,000 donuts. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's pump these donuts like Dunkin' Donuts.
Cynthia, you have a man?
What?
You have a man?
Me?
Yeah.
Why you ask me if I have a man for? Is this a relationship app?
No, I just want to know if you have a man because
of course I do.
So why you not in bed with him?
Why you not in bed with your man?
No,
I don't come here to war, so don't go there. I don't come to war. I come to support. So don't ask me about no man. Don't ask me about nothing,
Lady, take time, salt and sugar.
No, I'm taking time, but she can't ask me those things there because I don't ask her nothing about her life. I here come to talk. I don't come here to war.
All you have to do is tell me say you don't want.
I don't have to tell you nothing, I don't have to. You don't have to ask me about man. Because I don't see no reason for you to ask me about that.
It looks like you don't have none because if you did have man, you
what do you mean look like I don't have none? Look at me. I don't come to war, Blinga. Okay, drop me down because I'm not a war. I'm a supporter. You want a war? I'm a supporter. So drop me down. You want a war? I'm a supporter. So drop me.
Cynthia, you can take with yourself. Me not have to drop you.
I don't know how to because, like me say, it's my first time coming on live.
You are get upset about a simple question.
No, because there's no reason for you to ask me about man. Because I don't ask you
Man, do
no
your
questions.
Man, do your something. Man,
No.
do you friend.
Okay, you want a war.
Do you have a
So
girlfriend,
woman
Sugar
do your
Salt?
because that's why you coming at woman because woman do you
Sugar
something.
Salt, do you
Because I
have
never
a
come at you
girlfriend?
from the
Sugar
whole
Salt, do you
time
have a
I'm
girlfriend?
Clyde, I do one blinga, one blinga, one blinga. And you wanna come so?
So where you
Okay.
got attitude for? I didn't disrespect you, Cynthia. If you find that disrespectful,
I
I'm
never
sorry.
disrespect. Okay, let me drop. Let me drop
Cynthia,
because I don't come here for this.
no, but you
Bye.
have a
Drop me.
problem. Me
Drop me.
ask you to have
Drop
a
me
man.
blinga. Drop me blinga.
Be a cool
Because I don't know how to do it.
Cynthia Kalashi bipolar.
Bipolar.
Now Sugar Salt Kalashi
Bipolar.
bipolar.
I'm a licensed clinical director. What the fuck you mean bipolar?
Now
I
what
can
the fuck you
I
acting
can
like this
prescribe
for?
you adrenaline, you know. I can prescribe you every bumper clot medication there is in the world.
Sugar
Okay,
Salt,
you want to
listen to
what?
me.
Blinga,
Sugar
drop
Salt,
me
listen
because
to me, lady. Don't bring
drop
a
me.
bumper blood clam
Drop
out to me
me.
because
Yo,
I never come to
you
my mother.
can't
I
have
said
me,
you
you
have a
know.
bumper blood clam and you say you don't have a man. You have a woman where you have.
May have both. How
And
about
that if
that?
you say you
May
have
have
both and
both.
done,
May have
okay.
both. May have both. Fuck you.
So where you get attitude
One of
for,
them come here
Cynthia?
to support and give good positive
But
energy, and
Cynthia,
one of them just come out so suck pussy. So hey,
so where you get attitude for? What?
because you asked me
Okay.
something that you didn't have to ask me. The fuck?
So you not have to answer. Man, do your
And
black
I did not. I did not. So
Man, do
bye,
your something.
bye, bye. I don't come to
Man, do
work
your
to give people. Blinga, drop me please, because I don't know how to do it. This is my
Random. Just
first
click
time on
yourself.
live.
Click the right hand corner of your screen, the X up the song one.
Blinga just
X.
cut off and salt old girl there for your life, yeah, man. I'm to them.
Yeah, Miss Blinga, that wasn't me. That wasn't me. I wasn't cussing you. That wasn't me.
Cynthia, click the X on your right hand corner of the screen, the top, and come off.
And a Cynthia Bling.
Cynthia need to come down now, man. Our medication.
So you must see how Cynthia gonna get upset to me. Sorry, she have a
Hello,
man.
Cynthia, sugar and
It's not
salt. She need sugar
Cynthia.
and salt. Sugar and salt. She need.
So, good evening, Miss Bling. Listen, I've watched RT Boss for the longest. I watched RT Boss before Queen of London died, and he had predict this. So let me ask just a question. Maybe I need not to say to ask you, but when Spice look out on Lady Saw, and then Spice almost dead. If you did listen to RT Boss the other day when he was talking, he knew something was coming. So if you really think say, or anybody out there think say RT Boss, if this is so true, you think say RT Boss would have come up and show up yourself. Normally when people have skeleton in their closet, them normally quiet. RT Boss know this was war coming towards him. And RT Boss is the real deal, believe it or not. A lot of out there, a lot of stuff, especially us Jamaicans, watch and see it's just we against each other. I'm not saying you got to understand in America, because I've left Jamaica since I was a child, and that's over 40 years. Defamation of character, you can be sued for that. And why no? Why now should this come up? It's not about who is with him or whatever they saying he did. Okay, a man is innocent until proven guilty. Cause any one of us on this live can be where he at. You know, say a lot of us is going down, and all we do as Jamaican is fight against each other, and it's very hurtful. But take my two American kids to Jamaica, and you know what they asked me, Mom, why would you leave Jamaica so Jamaica's so nice? because I don't expose my children to how Jamaicans carry on. We need to come together as one. We're supposed to be one strong, one blood. And this is all we ever do, is tear each other down. Tear each other down. RT, this you bring up on the thing, I'm going to turn around and be friends. Trust me, if you see people, when them diss each other and them turn around and be friends, sisters and brothers do it and them turn around and be friends. You keep doing it, and it hurt me to hear how Jamaican people come upon this social media and I grab each other down like crab in a bucket. Time for us to lift up, because if Jamaica ever come together, we are one strong nation. We need to stop the bull crap. Enough is enough. I else watch God again tear us down. Watch and say, we need to stop the BS, man, because it's been carrying on too long. And I like it just start with one man, because you know, see this woman up here and whatever the entertainment, you don't know her heart. I watch her all the time. I watch her all the time. And you have a heart. No matter how strong and tough you come on, you are one loving person. You have it inside of you.
Yeah, man, in a real life, Blinga, man, I just want you to just stay positive, you see me, because we all see it say, a she first run out on you see me? In a real life, you see me? Yeah. And
Don't make nobody ruin you, or don't make no devil bring you down. You hear me? Keep your head, hang your head up high, and no watch no face, because just like high five and the rest of the social, this all shall come to pass. And guess what? You still have love. God bless you, and God bless all of we as Jamaican and all of we as black folks and all of us as one human being. We need to stop the BS now. Enough is enough. That's why you see America not too shit pan way. Them we take all other nation, but them not take way, because we are fight against each other.
I'm dog.
One love, okay?
All right, big up yourself for that, princess. Next person, talk and come down the line long. You want to use me, you use me enough. I'm tired of you get using now. Me know so RT can blood clot team. Me I try to tell you right now. RT not no secret for me. No time, no day, none at all. I mean alone stand up out here so support RT. Me not have control over nothing what police do. Cause police not under no panty government boy. So this is war. RT walk and make up be a blood clot story.
RT,
One bling in here.
One a real life, man.
One know the RT can't mind me. Well, know that.
You see, for the attention him want turn off him, it now go come off. Cause me nah stop play that tape ya. RT boss, why you do it drunk, bro? Why you touch the little boy?
I mean, alone
why you
out
got jail? I'm why you rotten. You think you dead? You dead batty boy. You think you dead? You know dead.
People, Bling and her man TikTok police is dragging down RT Boss. Let me explain how the bring down and classing began. RT Boss was on his TikTok live and he began to inform his royal family that he is coming for Bling and her man because TikTok police says that he is a pedophile. RT Boss began to dish out Bling dirty laundries, stating that Bling is attracted to Batman. It's be a Batman Bling and she make her young Batman dissing him. RT carry on to say that he Bling once, he videoed it and he will be leaking the video today. RT believed that Bling chat him with TikTok police and that is the reason why he was online calling him a pedophile. RT Boss says that Bling is a hypocrite and he don't want any friend from her. And he is also going to find out if Bling really have a husband. The true, he is going to write the army because he wants to have a conversation with the husband. RT Boss did not stop there. He continues to say that his bare cheap clothes Bling buys for TikTok police. He is willing to contribute some of his wear and left clothes to him. RT Boss also called Bling big back, frog looking blood clot. Him and her not in the same man, so she must tell her Batman not to trouble him.
Police, what the bomber clot you stress over police for? You say you're big and you have your things and your mansion and your blood clot clothes. Then when you worry about police, two blood clot underpants and two Walmart. it for? What you worry about that for? What you worry about that for? You go like nobody over here so bad mind you for blood clot. No, the people them don't even care. Them hate you. Them hate your blood clot. And now you come with this other things that them are gonna love you more. When you come with this, I come try and rub me out. What do you think I gonna happen? Like, make this make sense. Make this make sense. You are come now because you feel like, remember, nigga, there's an allegation against you. There's a fucking serious allegation against you. Go fix that. I cannot fix it for you. I can only counsel you and give you my opinion. I can't fix it. It's a big bumbleclot allegation is against you. Come for me, like me do you something. Me not do you no me not drop blood clot police car you to do that. Everybody know how me stay. When me stand with something, me stand with something. Me stand with somebody, me stand with somebody. You gonna come out yourself, come look war with me. You torment. You's a torment blood clot soul. You come talk about me not real, me the realest blood clot thing to you. But how much of this can I take? How much of this can I take? If me tell you something, you take it, come back, come talk. Move your blood clots. You can't style me. If me say something to you in a private, you come out here and you bust it. You's a fool. What kind of friend you be? If me say something to you, you come and you bust it. I remember me no bust what you say unless you tell me if you say something. Me and you out here son, we keep the blood clot sure. You will come, okay, Bling, say this. Me come say it, and then 5-10 minutes later, you say something blood clot different. So if me no want feed into your bullshit or the bumbo clot you go come talk about say, me fake. Mother, anybody fake a blood clot you? Anybody fake a you? Me never send call if you come drop my blood clot lion or no pussy clot gift them come blood clot give me. You understand? From the day you know me, you never read me yet. From the day you know me, you never read me yet. Come in, I want your blood clot reading. You don't feel like me could have run in your reading long time. I don't want your reading, brother. You're a fucking crosses to your own blood clot self. You're going to sink your bumbo clot self. You are going to sink yourself. Me are the only one will come out here and stand up with blood clot you. Me and the Blinga them. So right now, Blinga me say, if you not left me a man in me under blood clot stand. This time, me now go down the road here with you. Because me know what you do. You're going to cuss till your blood clot week. You think you stay upon Spice 4 years? And me, I go stay upon for 10. Because me living in your blood clot head rent free. You know, see what me make you can't sleep. You know, see what me I do to you? Eh? You say me I know nobody. Remember, you know, you say me I know nobody, but me living in your head rent free. Not even your blood clot wife not living in your head, so. Not even your wife not living in your head the way me living in your blood clot head. Every day me talk to blood clot you. Every day that God send, me talk to you. Me there with you, me stand with you, me out here take much bring down for blood clot you. Me and the dirty woman got it through you. Through you, me and the rascal blood clot all have got it through you. He's a wicked blood clot and Blinga me open to see this bumbo clot and can't sit down upon him live and listen to him. The boy have a problem with police, but me forget with the police. Me and a royal bumbo clot family. Me a Blinga. You can't blood clot program me and that's how your clot problem. You can't program me. You can't program me and you not go program blood clots me. Me do what I want. Me do what I want. You not program blood clots me. If I agree if you do something with you, fine. I'm loyal to the blood clot team. But when you go come out here and do this, you really expect someone to really constantly sit down like a blood clot idiot? Eh? Look on the allegation with the your bumbo clot name. I have time for go for police and go for me. Police did blood clot style you. You go like police drop no portion of this by you. Me talk to the brother about it. The brother say I joke him that joke right. But you don't like blood clot police. Police your problem and my your problem. You just do this for distract what depend you. But me I go show you something. You now get me come out here one more day come say nothing to blood clot you. And Blinga me I go tell you this tonight. All who want leave can leave because me keep having a like pan a merry-go-round. Oh guys, we start. stand with this. Oh, guys, don't stand with this. Oh, guys, me can't do this to you no more. God up in heaven, no. Because my sister really rate me to blood clot, and me tired for you to turn in a blood clot idiot. You know, sister, the people them no loyal. You know, see. You know, say people them no blood clots loyal. You know, say go the boy for go. You know, say run me for run with the blood clot boy. Show him blood clot page come back now. Him hype. Show him page come back in blood clot hype. None of them over there blood clot can do not offer blood clot. You them never do not offer clot you. Cause your crew weak. Your crew blood clot weak. And you come and you use we. You're supposed to bomber clot gift me over here because you use me. So you're supposed to give me. You come talk about lawsuit money like my blood clot beg you nothing. You go like me beg you nothing. Me beg your blood clot and I be like your bomber clot tell. Show the people them where you send me. Oh, you send me $7,000 or you send me $30 blood clot $1,000. When me come out here, me say cash up and Zelle and PayPal, you send you $100. Of course. Mind who? What you mean you mind me? How the blood clot if you mind me? You can't mind bumbo clot me. You can't mind me. You can't mind me, Artie. You can't mind me. Me too much. Me too much. Remember how you get your things them. Tell the people how you get your blood clot things them. This is why young people go always in an argument. Young people go always in an argument because you're too fake. You're too fucking fake. So call ACS, call police, call any blood clotting you want, call pan blood clots me. Cause me living in your head rent free. Me living in your blood clot head rent free. Me tired of you. You're not a bumbo clot friend. You're fucking Judas. You're Judas. He's like a blood clot gal. He's like a gal. Every blood clot you get up one trace like blood clot you have underneath you like you see period. You're your first thing you come out. Me not trace man. Me not trace man. So a woman you have strength for. Be a blood clot girl you have strength for. Have strength for me. Go have strength for Spice. Go have strength for Spice. Because every problem with me in upon social media, are you cause it. Every problem with me in upon social media, are you cause it. You're not good for my brand. Fuck off. Fuck off. Me never send call blood clot you yet for come sit down side of me. Are you ever come? Me never send call bumbo clot you. Me know out here do what me I do. The blood clot me send call. I do a get up and tell be a blood clot lie. And me sit down and me ease myself because me see a show we keep. All you do a walk and tell pay blood clots lie. All you do a walk and tell pay lie. Everybody when me talk to you talk about how me class them, how me cuss them, how me not like them. You're a blood clot. You're crosses. I'm sit down and me take every blood clot thing. You walk and tell everybody when me and them talk good on me class them. You. And I don't say nothing. I take every blood clot thing because I'm back broad. Me have the whole Blinga ears out here will stand up with you. All the one them when a blood clot like you, stand up with you. You understand? You have real loyal, genuine people will like you. But you just a mash up that. You just a mash up that blood clot with this. I want to know. See, you feel like so when you come out here and feel like you can class me or diss me. What you feel like I go happen? Tell me. What you feel like I go happen? You feel like say the world I go dip on your side? Huh? You think the world are going to be on your side? Right now, them blood clots happy. Right now, them bumbo clots happy. All me haters, them bumbo ass clot glad. I celebrate. What you feel like? Right now, everybody will hate me, I celebrate. Because a long time you feel lift up off of this blood clot. You feel go away. Left from over here, son, go man. You go like we send call over here. So every blood clot thing you do, you want to come tell people. Me and your friend, or whatever the no one call it. Every day I come out, I come say yeah, me G. Me talk on phone every blood clot there. You understand? We share conversation, we share text message, we share every blood clot thing. The only thing we not share a saliva and blood clot can see. But at that time, you not rate me. RT, you not rate blood clot me. You're Judas. You not rate me.